Kalshi Perps, the first regulated way for Americans to trade crypto leverage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to trade crypto with leverage but hated the idea of using sketchy offshore platforms with no real protections, well, today is a game changer, folks. I'm going to be walking you guys through Kalshi Perps, like you guys can find here right on the website, kalshi.com. But first, guys, use the link down in my description, guys. Dapp Center is going to be sending you guys $10 on Kalshi. Yes, make predictions on sports, politics, and more, and trade $10 to unlock. You guys can join in right now using that link down below. So getting back into it, guys, with the perps, you guys are going to be looking at the first perpetual futures product offered by a CFTC regulated U.S. exchange. This means everything happens onshore with federal oversight. No more gray zone worries. We'll walk through this on how you guys can get yourself set up. But like I said, use that link down below. Now, Kalshi has been the go-to for regulated event contracts and prediction markets for a while. Now, they launched perpetual futures and their first U.S. company to do it under full CFTC regulation. So what does regulate actually mean for you? It means legal protections, clear rules, customer fund safeguards, and federal oversight. You're not sending your money to some anonymous exchange in another country hoping for the best. This is trustworthy, compliant way to get leverage exposure to crypto prices right here in the United States. So, okay, trust foundation set. Now, let's talk about what perps actually are. So what are perps? I mean, perpetual futures or perps lets you trade the price direction of an asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum without ever owning the actual asset. So if you're long in it, you think the price is going to go up, which if you're bullish, you're going to want to enter a long position. Now, if you think the price is going to be going down or bearish, you want to enter a short position. Now, you open a position, you ride the move, and you close it whenever you want. There's no expiration date, unlike regular futures for options that forces you out at a certain time. You stay as long as you like. So here's the big difference for just buying crypto on spot. When you buy Bitcoin, you own it, and you can only really win when it goes up. Now with perps, you can profit in both directions because you're not holding the actual asset. You're just betting on where the price is actually heading. So leverage is what makes it powerful. So, and also risky, folks. So just bear that in mind. Please do so. Proceed with caution. I mean, you are using leverage. You're using a lot of funds. It could really make or break you. So think of this as kind of like gambling at the casino, okay? Now, with leverage, does give you bigger position with less money. That's the great thing about it. You don't need a whole lot of capital to start. Like for instance, you know, with $1,000, you can get a position size almost 10x with using 10x leverage. So think of that, guys. You can really maximize your wins and you can really wipe out as well and get huge losses. Depending on which way the price goes, if whether it's going in favor of your long or if you're in short. Now, liquidation is real, folks. Like I said, talking about the risk, price moves too far against you and your margin gets too low, the platform does automatically close your positions. So you guys do want to make sure you bear with the risk, guys. Have your risk controls, take profit when you can. That's a huge thing. Make sure you use stop losses too. Do you want to avoid to have as much losses and you want to try to get more wins versus losses over a period of time. So yeah, liquidation can get scary, guys. It pretty much wipes you out. It takes all your funds. You're gone. Money is never coming back. You lose the contract, guys. Yeah, so the best way to avoid liquidations is to set a stop loss, okay? So make sure you guys can do that, all right? All right, get it? All right, so enough with the explanation of how. Now we're going to walk through how to get yourself set up. Like I said, use that link, get yourself set up. You could log in. And once you guys have your account set up, guys, you're going to be able to enter long or shorts like this. You can see Bitcoin is trading just below 60,000. And depending on whether you want to go long or short, you're able to do that. You can also place a limit order if you want to do so as well. So if you think the price is going to go down to like 58,000, you know, like I don't want to buy at 59, I want to buy at 58, you can set that price and enter in the amount that you actually want to purchase. Okay, so like $1,000 for here with a 3.5x leverage, as you guys can see with the 3.5x, is actually going to give me a total size of 3,497 because it's multiplying by 3.5. So that's only going to cost me $1,000, and I'm getting that much buying power. So you guys can get yourself signed up on this, guys. You could even set your liquidation even higher. You can set that up to 6x leverage, folks. So pretty interesting. Look at it, it gives me almost $6,000 of buying power with just $1,000, folks. Wow. Get in on this. And like I say, you can enter a short position too. So let's say you think the price, you think the price is going down now, you can enter in that short, like I said, 6x leverage. That still will give me that almost $6,000 in buying power, and that price goes down, let's say, to like 58,000. I'm going to receive a lot of money, guys. I'm going to be able to. And then remember, guys, make sure to take profits. It's very important to take profits. Does involve a lot of risk on trading these, folks, but they got all kinds. They got Bitcoin. You could trade Ethereum. You could trade Hype, Solana, XRP. Pretty much all the top cryptos are available here on the Kalshi app. So get yourself signed up. $10. Yeah, buddy, you guys could get yourself started here on the platform. So guys, this is a big step forward for crypto trading in the United States. So drop a like if this helps, and comment what asset you want to trade first, and subscribe for more breakdowns, guys. So thank you guys all for watching this. Stay tuned for more, guys, and please be safe out there. Remember, trade responsibly, okay? Understand the risk of getting involved, especially with cryptocurrencies and perpetuals. They do involve a lot of risk, guys, so you can lose your money, so please do so responsibly. And stay tuned for more, guys. It's Nero here at Dapp Center saying so long and enjoy the rest of your day. Adios!